Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for coming by today to see this special shaped diamond painting Destash. So I've gone through all of my special shaped, well, I didn't go through all of them. I have more, but these are the ones that I am going to destash. So I'm calling this the Mandela lot, but it is lot 2. So email me at this email address if you're interested. It's mostly PayPal, but if you have another form of payment, I'm willing to work with you. Okay. So this first one, it's not really a mandala, but it reminds me of one. So this, I call this the guitar tree. Also, I got this from New Craft Day back in 2022. It was $5.99, and this entire diamond painting is covered with rhinestones and special shaped drills. So that is this bag here, and it is just loaded with 19 different shapes, sizes, colors of every kind of rhinestone and special shape you could imagine. And it's always great because you have leftovers that you can keep in your stash for other projects. So that is Guitar Tree. Also, this lot is $25, free shipping. Just use lot 2 in your email. It's first come, first served. So this is a true mandala here, and this is really beautiful. And it's also covered with rhinestones and special shapes. So here they are. Here there's great big red and blue and purple ones. All kinds of rhinestones and other special shapes on the other side. It's just a bundle of them. And I think the background is all black regular drills, if I remember correctly. But it is gorgeous. It would look beautiful hanging up. So this next one is from New Craft Day. It was $5.99 when I got it. And again, this entire diamond painting will be covered with rhinestones. I'm just making sure you can see it. So this one has 13 different colors and shapes and sizes, and this is the big bag of them. There's a lot of blue and purple and pink in this one. Gorgeous. 13 different shapes. Now this one is from Amazon, and I remember when I bought this one, I just had to have it because I saw a special shape that was in here that I never saw before. There's actually 9 different colors and stuff in this one, and this is what this one looks like. We have yellow rhinestones, we have AB yellow drills, regular AB rhinestones there, green, big ones, purple faceted big ones, these big iridescent ones, purple, another iridescent one here that's in a different shape, and then this is the same. I think there's 2 bags of this. Yes, there is. 2 big bags of that. And you'll have leftovers. They're so pretty. But this is why I wanted it, because of these rhinestones here. They remind me of peacock feathers, and I think actually that's what they call them, but it is very unusual and rare to get these in a diamond painting. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and there's one more thing in this lot, and that is this mandala bag. It's kind of like, it reminds me of something kind of boho. So it has this kind of woven tapestry kind of thing on the back, and the front is diamond painted. So there is a toolkit in there, and here are the drills. It has a black strap here that you can adjust to any size. And these are the rhinestones for that. We have some half white pearls, green, another green. We have black drills, blue rhinestones, and clear rhinestones. So that is lot 2, $25. Email me and put lot 2 in the description box of your email. Thank you. I'll see you next time with something new. A new lot.